What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and in this video I'm checking out the Login Jotter subscription for December 2022. If you're not familiar with the subscription, every month for $5 they'll send you one 3.5 by 5.5 inch notebook, or for $8.50 two of them. And what makes these unique and different from other notebooks, pocket notebooks, is that the design is completely unique. You can't buy it anywhere else. The only place you can get it is in the subscription, so if you miss a month then you have to buy it on the secondary, but they don't re-release these. It's unique every single month. So I'm gonna dive in here. If you haven't watched last month, I would definitely recommend checking it out. It was probably my favorite two notebook combo ever, but let's see what we got this month. This is, again, December 2022, and super excited to see what we got here. So I'm gonna start with just whatever one's on top. And we have a target, and it says "Be a Kid Again." And just kind of a, really cool. It looks like this one's inspired by maybe Nerf guns, and just a really cool vintage looking design, but also has that target on one side and the Nerf gun on the other. So this looks like it's the back side. This section is meant to stick out of your pocket, and this is the front cover art. And so really cool. It definitely has those classic Nerf colors. You have all your normal records and logs and that sort of thing, an inch ruler, your page prompts, Christmas break pastime, what is holiday cheer, sketch a toy, the feeling of Christmas, a few others as well. This is my dot grid, which I think that means this is a secondary notebook. I believe I get blank as my primary. And so this is called Sticky Darts. And it says, "This month our inspiration is simple. Be a kid again. Maybe you were like us and stayed up all night in search of extra lives, all in the pursuit of saving the princess. Or maybe you used the holiday boxes to turn an ordinary basement into an intense competition of bullseyes and trick shots. While the playtime may have looked different, we want to encourage you to remember the magical moments that brought you joy. Take some time, look back, make a story, tell a story in 2023 that your younger self would be proud of." Then you have a list, important dates, and your centimeter ruler. So super cool one, like this one a lot. Excited to see what the second is. And we have the back here again, but you kind of have a hint at what that is. You may recognize the blocks, the feather, or the Login Jotter in the style of the Nintendo logo. So super cool. This one also has the target on it. I got that upside down. Yeah, this one also has the target on it and these blocks. And the feather makes me think of Super Mario Bros. 3 specifically. I'm not 100% positive, but I believe that was the one with the raccoon tail, and kind of an iconic one for me. So yeah, this is the blank one, same front page. The back is going to be the same as well, the description, but the issue design is called Bros, so that makes sense. So Mario inspired, and both of them have that similar target, so kind of following the same theme. Super cool this month, really like these. This is a more simple cover, very subtle design to that Mario, nod to that Mario theme, but really good looking, and the Nerf one also really good looking, both big parts of my childhood, so super nostalgic and enjoy them quite a bit. So good follow-up to last month. I still think last month might be a little bit higher on the scale in terms of all-time favorites, but this one's definitely up there. I like both of these notebooks quite a lot, and like I said, they just have that nostalgia factor that's perfect around the holiday time. Just kind of brings you back to when you were a kid, so super cool. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. As always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. It helps the channel a ton. If you're interested in checking these out, there is a link down in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, just a big fan of Login Jotter, so definitely check it out. But hope you have a great one. Take care.